Sometimes it is really difficult to make decisions. We might even find ourselves in a place where we can't decide. Or maybe in the past, we have used just our head. Maybe we've just followed our gut. Or maybe even how we're feeling in that moment. Today, I would like to introduce you to a meditation, a practice that is a go-to for any time you need to make a decision with clarity and tapping into your inner wisdom. So go ahead and just relax for a moment as you begin to take in a deep breath. Hold it for just a moment and release. You might even find in this next inhale, you close your eyes. And as you release this time, you find yourself just settling in to this moment. You may have been experiencing something in your life right now that you need to make a decision about. And you know what that's like. Go ahead and bring your attention to that decision now. And as you begin to step into making that decision, I want you to follow the next few questions. And as you do, you might find that you see something, hear something, or even feel something. And I want you to focus in on the very first thing that comes to you. Let's go ahead and begin by tapping into what our head would like to know about this particular decision. Given everything that you know about this decision, what does your head know about this? The first thing that comes to you now. And is there anything else that your head needs for you to know now about this decision? And knowing this, that your head knows, what does your heart know? And is there anything else that your heart needs you to know now about this decision? Allowing yourself to not judge, but just simply accept this inner wisdom. And knowing what your head knows and what your heart knows, what does your gut know? Allow yourself to accept what your gut needs you to know now. And now knowing what your head knows and what your heart knows and what your gut knows, and you now know, what difference does this make for you? So what is it that you now know that is different from before? And what difference does this difference make for you now? And now that you know what your head believes, what your heart wants you to know, and what your gut knows, what decision will you make now? Take this information and use it to move forward with the decision that you have now made. Feel free to come back to this meditation over and over again, as often as you need, to tap into this inner wisdom, getting in touch with the clarity and the wisdom that you need to make aligned decisions. Remember, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and find peace.